Speaker's Tribunal Court of Manipur Legislative Assembly reserved judgment on disqualification case of Mahud Minister Thaunawdam Shyamkumar. And India's biggest music label and production house Tseries sets eyes on Manipur to haunt youth in the field of media and entertainment. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibeto. Talked on with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Speaker's Tribunal Court of Manipur Legislative Assembly reserved its judgment on the disqualification case of Mahud Minister Thaunawdam Shyamkumar after the final hearing today. The hearing was on 15 different cases petitioned by 15 MLAs, including Congress MLAs K.H. Joykisan, A.K. Mirabai, R.K. Imo, O. Suryakumar, K. Meghachandra from 11 a.m. till 1 p.m. Senior advocates of the Supreme Court S.G. Hasnain and Itombi M.D. Fajal and Boboy appeared for the hearing on behalf of the petitioners, while senior advocate H.S. Pounam and S. Gunabanta appeared on behalf of the respondent. Petitioners' Counsel cum Senior Advocate of the Supreme Court S.G. Hasnain said the Speaker heard both the parties and reserved the judgment. He said parties are also directed to submit their respective arguments in written on or before February 12.
Today, Honorable Speaker, the matter was heard against the disqualification petition, Mr. Shyam Kumar, Minister Manipur Government, and the judgment is reserved. And Honorable Speaker also directed us to file any additional document if you need and written submission till 12th February. Thereafter, judgment will be delivered.
India's biggest music label and production house with international acclaim Tseries is eyeing on Manipur to haunt talented youths. Tseries Stage Works Academy, a Tseries Film Academy which was recently opened in Guwahati, has joined hands with Don Bosco College, Maram in Senapati district to haunt talented youths in the field of media and entertainment. Officials of Tseries Stage Works Academy held a press meet at Hotel Classic in North AOC today. Speaking to media, CEO of the Academy, Subhadev Shah, said the International Standard Academy was opened for the first time in Noida and is running successfully. He asserted that Manipuri film industry will flourish in the international platform if talented youths of the state are provided necessary international standard equipments and trainings. Subhadev Shah said the Film Academy will offer various courses on performing arts and pre-post productions. He declared that special package will be offered on courses fee in Northeast state, and 5 talented youths from the state will be selected to take up any course for free. The CEO of the Film Academy also expresses desire to collaborate with Government of Manipur and Manipur University. He also said the Film Academy is making a Manipuri short film in the near future.
Cinema is a medium of, it needs a lot of technicalities. Then when the technicalities come, the equipments are very much required. It's a practical thing. So day by day, it is enhancing. So yeah, you may have a very good actors, or you may have, Suryakanta sir will agree with me, you have very good directors. But if you don't have the good equipments, then you will not get the required result. If you have that actually, so language will not create a barrier. So it definitely can go to any market actually. So in that way, if we invest, that we are doing, as you asked a very great question, sir, that we are investing a lot of things to enhance the standard of the regional film.
Taking part in the press meet, Manipuri filmmaker Laimem Surjakanta Sharma and Manipuri film actor Soma Laishram lauded the initiatives of Tseries. They opined that Manipuri films will rise to a higher level if film enthusiasts and people working in Manipuri films industries join the academy. 2 information centers of Tseries Stage Works Academy are open at Don Bosco Maram and Kuyatong Road, Thangal Bazaar.
अखोई मणिपुर दसो हुजिक फिल्म मेकर्स नत्रगा हुजिक साउंड डिजाइनिंग तौरिबा VFX पाइरिबा सॉरी मी मैम से already moise knowledge di loraga basic knowledge di loraga khoigi ka haitare khud thadabam natraga well equipped laitaba dugumba technical line or sida mayam na putharaga laiba mayam yauri so if this institution comes aduga moina sigi kano se institute sida part mo itaragadi khoigi knowledge samadi khoi manipur da su hena jakhatpa production mayam puthorakani
sahi kullama kudra ama film experience di leraba film maker oiraba aduga technology is the sahi khudingi development lakpunina ngasing ngasing tolaiba technology singse masi handle do bang amuktaba aduna technician amaga film maker amaga assessment gi linguma lakpa.
There is an urgent need to set up road median and increase the number of traffic police personnel deployed at traffic points of Minutong, Imphal Ukrul Road and Lamlong Market. Road traffic is highly congested in these areas as there is a lack of adequate traffic personnel to control the heavy flow of both passenger and private vehicles. People parking their vehicles at inappropriate areas and passenger vehicles stopping wherever they want to ferry in passengers are contributing to traffic congestions even more. Absence of road median at Lamlong Market traffic point area has led to heavy traffic jam with vehicles running at whims in 4 to 5 rows. It is high time the government and the relevant authorities address the issue. A cultural troupe of 170 members left Imphal today to participate in the 9th Foundation Day celebration of Rajashree Vagachandra Cultural Foundation Manipur at Khunjau Mandap in Mandalay, Myanmar. Artists of JN Manipur Dance Academy, Sri Govindaji Bharti Seva, the Natta Sangeet Academy and Research Center Yai School and artists of various other cultural organizations comprise the team. They will showcase Manipur's traditional dances, songs, folk story narration, etc. at the event.
Wari liba classical Manipuri solo dance na chingba item kaya aikuna mandri gi khunjong mandopta akuna numit nini chumna pangthok charugani lone na mafam lamdam madugi leiriba aikogi maitei gi leiriba mayam dugi da Manipur gi chanabi amadi akoi kala sanskriti sibu aikoina moida masak takna ba moibu aikoina jagoi sei sei Manipur gi sumain tawi haibana chingba lamja bebar khudima ka lone na ada phongdong nubugi damakta handaki tanja si laujabani.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the death of a novel coronavirus victim in Hong Kong. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Hong Kong became the second place outside of the Chinese mainland to report the death of a patient being treated for a new coronavirus that has so far claimed more than 400 lives. Medical authorities confirmed that the 39-year-old man who was being treated for the virus died on Tuesday morning. The man was a resident of Hong Kong who had traveled last month to Wuhan, the Chinese city at the center of the outbreak, returning home on January 23rd via a high-speed rail link. Meanwhile, Karnataka government kept civilians team at border districts like Dakshina Kannada, Kodagu, Chamrajnagar and Mysuru for necessary screening process. Out of 63 Kannada people coming back from China, 58 are kept at home isolation. Strict screening processes are also being carried out in Nagaland. An official of Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Department said that those 33 people who had come to Nagaland recently from coronavirus-affected countries did not show any symptoms of the deadly virus. Meanwhile, the third novel coronavirus case has been reported in India yesterday, with another Keralite student who returned from Wuhan University on Monday testing positive for the infection. More than 2,000 people are under observation at many homes and hospitals. Meanwhile, Kerala government has declared the coronavirus outbreak a state disaster following 3 confirmed cases of the deadly infection in the state. The condition of the patients are stable and is being closely monitored. Preventive measures are strengthened with full equipped treatment facility, isolation wards in all major hospitals and awareness campaigns at local level. Campaigning is in full swing for assembly elections in Delhi. Prominent leaders from different political parties are trying to woo the voters through road shows, public meeting and door-to-door campaigns. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address a rally in Dwarka area of West Delhi this afternoon. Senior BJP leader and Chief Minister of Gujarat, Vijay Rupani, will address Nukhan Sivas in Chandni Chowk area and Uttar Pradesh. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will also address public meeting in Kirari. Senior Congress leaders and Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, former CM of Haryana, Bhupender Singh Hooda, and Rajya Sabha MP Raz Babbar will address a public meeting. Aam Aadmi Party convener and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will today launch the party manifesto. Senior party leader Bhagwant Mann will hold a roadshow in Mangalpuri. Sources said the election is likely to see a triangular contest between Bharatiya Janata Party, Aam Aadmi Party and Congress. 668 candidates are in the fray for 70 assembly seats. Aam Aadmi Party is seeking votes on the basis of their work done in education and health sectors. BJP is assuring voters that they will ensure clean air and water for everyone. Meanwhile, Congress is promising to bring back former glory of the national capital and making Delhi pollution-free. In the last assembly elections, Aam Aadmi Party had won 67 seats, BJP grabbed 3 seats and Congress failed to win a single seat. There are around 1,47 lakh voters in Delhi who will decide political fate of candidates on Saturday. Counting of votes will be taken up on February 11. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Speaker's Tribunal Court of Manipur Legislative Assembly reserved judgment on disqualification case of Mahud Minister Thanawdam Shyamkumar. And India's biggest music label and production house Tseries sets eyes on Manipur to hone youth in the field of media and entertainment.